پروگرام دور دیس کے لوگ سے ایم شارق سعید کا سلام. ہم آپ کے لیے پیش کرتے ہیں کیپٹل سیول ہو، پورٹ آف سٹی بوسان ہو یا انچن یا پھر ساؤتھ کوریا کا کوئی بھی صنعتی شہر، ڈیگو سٹی ہو، ڈیجونگ سٹی ہو یا پھر انسان انڈسٹریل سٹی یا پھر ساؤتھ کوریا کا کوئی بھی شہر. سیاسی، غیر سیاسی، نیوز، ویوز، انٹرویوز، اس کے ساتھ ساتھ ایجوکیشنل پروگرام، شو بز، اسپورٹس، ٹریڈ اینڈ بزنس انفارمیشن کے ساتھ ساتھ ساؤتھ کوریا میں مقیم پاکستانی طلباء و طالبات اور ساؤتھ کوریا میں انڈسٹری سے جڑے پاکستانی ورکرز کے بارے میں معلومات. ساؤتھ کوریا سے جڑی خبریں جو آپ دیکھنا، سننا اور جاننا چاہتے ہیں، صرف او پی ٹی وی گلوبل پر. ناظرین اکرام، آج کا پروگرام 2 حصوں پر مشتمل ہے. آج کے پہلے حصے میں آپ کیونگسن بگدو پروونس کا وزٹ کریں گے. اس کے شہر پونگی کا وزٹ ہے جو ساؤتھ کوریا میں جنسنگ کی افزائش کے حوالے سے مشہور ہے. یہاں اس پر چوسن ڈائنیسٹی کے دور سے جنسنگ کی کاشت پر کام ہوتا رہا ہے. اس پروگرام کو ترتیب دیا تھا GBA گلوبل بزنس الائنس نے، جس کی بنیاد 2019 میں رکھی گئی. یہ غیر ملکی حضرات جو جنوبی کوریا میں ٹریڈ سے وابستہ ہیں اور ساؤتھ کوریا میں رہتے ہوئے امپورٹ ایکسپورٹ کے شعبے سے بھی منسلک ہیں. ان کے اور کورین کمپنی کے درمیان گلوبل بزنس الائنس برج کا کام کرتا ہے. اس پروگرام کے میزبان تھے کیونگسن بگدو کلچر اینڈ ٹورزم آرگنائزیشن کے پریزیڈنٹ مسٹر سیونگ جو کم. ناظرین اکرام، اس میں ساؤتھ کوریا میں مقیم غیر ملکی خواتین و حضرات جو گلوبل بزنس الائنس کے رکن ہیں، انہوں نے پونگی شہر میں جنسنگ کمپنی، جنسنگ میوزیم اور شہر کے مختلف حصوں کا وزٹ کیا. ہم نے اس پروگرام کو مکمل کیا ہے گلوبل او پی ٹی وی کے ناظرین کے لیے. ایم شارق سعید، کیونگسن بگدو، ساؤتھ کوریا. Hello GBA groups.
Hello. Hi. Say hello, please.
Hello, how are you everybody? GBA group, how are you?
Hi.
How are you, President? How are you?
Thank you, thank you.
Mr. Sinan, where are you going, sir?
Going to Pakistan. We are going to Gyeongbuk tour. We
Yeah.
have visit 2 important cities.
Yeah.
The ex-capital of Korea.
Yeah.
Very important places. Okay.
How many persons with
There
you
are around
today?
40, yeah, around 40.
Around 40.
Buses, yeah.
Yeah, really people is follow, you know,
Okay.
Korean rules, everybody with mask. Yes.
So we are ready now for departure.
It's really the most important one, and it's the reason for which Mr. Shinan and his great team has organized this trip for us, is to connect with each other, to connect, to interact, to go, I would say, go beyond the business smile. Just go beyond the business smile and become friends. So that's what we're going to try to do for the next 2 days. We're going to try to, I don't know, just to share nice moments. In some way, this bus reminds me of my school trips with my colleagues, right? Those are memories I wouldn't trade for anything in the world. So I know we have different ages. We definitely have super different backgrounds and super different, I mean, we come from such different places of the earth. But I'm sure we can connect in so many ways. Only the fact that we are all members of this GBA family says.
Hey, 이 좋은 날 우리 영주를 방문해 주셔서 다시 한번 진심으로 감사 인사를 드리고
And it's very my honor that you are coming here and visit Yeongju.
여기 오신 분들이 잘 알겠지만 코로나19 때문에 전 세계적으로 굉장히 어려움이 많은데
And as you know very well, we have the very hard time because of coronavirus right now.
우리 풍기 영주 풍기에서 생산되는 인삼이
But ginseng produced in Punggi, Yeongju,
이 면역력에는 우리 전 세계적으로 가장 효과가 좋은 겁니다.
is actually have the best effort for your immune system.
여기 오신 분들은 풍기의 향을 맡았기 때문에 코로나는 염려 안 하셔도 됩니다.
And because you feel, see, and scent of Punggi ginseng, you don't have to worry about your health and coronavirus.
근데 드시고 가시면 주변에 있는 모든 친구분들에게도 코로나는 전혀 걱정 안 하셔도 됩니다.
So you can say and you can spread the say to all of your friends that they also don't have to worry because you have felt this Punggi ginseng.
Safe.
네, 좋은 시간 되시길 바라겠습니다.
And I hope Mr. John Pung Nim, who has the best knowledge about Punggi ginseng in Korea, is actually one of the council member of Yeongju City.
다들 뭐 이겨내 주셔서 방문해주셔서 감사드립니다.
And he says he's very thankful that you're coming here.
예, 먼저 우리 김성조 보좌 사장님 이렇게 우리 여사관의 이렇게 영웅님들을 이렇게 여기까지 모셔가지고 다시 한번 감사합니다 말씀드리겠습니다.
And thank you for Chairman Kim, Mr. Kim, because he put a lot of efforts that you can come here to Yeongju.
그리고 이제 조금 전에 방금 우리 황병직 위원장께서 말씀을 하셨지만 이 풍기 지역이 코로나19로부터 가장 안전한 지역입니다. 이제까지 단 한 분의 확진자가 없습니다.
And this is actually the safest place, Punggi, because we don't have any positive case for coronavirus.
예, 거기에 대한 이유는 뭐 다들 아시다시피 풍기 인삼의 면역력과 그리고 또 풍기에는 아주 특이하게 백신이 있습니다.
And
예.
죄송하지만 한 번만 더 말씀해주세요.
예, 풍기 인삼의 우수성, 면역력을 다들 아실 테고.
And as you know, Punggi ginseng is very good for your immune system.
그리고 풍기에는 전 세계에 없는 백신이 있습니다.
And we have got in Punggi, we have got vaccine that nowhere else have.
여기 지금 보이시는 저 위에 동네가 백신리라는 동네가 있습니다. 그래서
The name of the village that you can see there on the mountain is Vaccine Li.
그래서 이 동네는 저희 마을 지역에는 코로나19가 전혀 없습니다.
And that is the reason that we don't have any positive case of coronavirus.
예, 그리고 이렇게 찾아주심에 다시 한번 감사.
110,000.
Among them, we have only 5 cases of what is that? COVID-19.
Only 5. During 8 months.
No, it's because of I think the ginseng, right? And anyway, planning to stay here in Yeongju and visit again next year. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. So, our lovely members, the mayor of Yeongju, this city mayor of, he is the mayor of Yeongju, and I think you heard about that one. Next year there's a big exhibition, 2021. Next year September, it's about 1 month, 28 days, and he says, you know, Korea ginseng is the #1 in the world, most and best quality of in the world, and also Punggi, this area, ginseng is the first and #1 in Korea, and also just only 5 people only just catch to the COVID-19. So that is almost like 8 months, you know, during Corona. Just only 5 people. This is an amazing number. And thank you so much for your invitation, Mayor. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great time.
이 하늘색이 터키에서는 여행 많이 가시고 일 열심히 하고 출장 많이 가시랍니다. 항상 건강하게 잘 사시기 바라겠습니다.
감사합니다. 제가 알기로는 이 옛날에 자기를 만들 수 있는 나라는 중국, 한국밖에 없었습니다.
네.
백자를 만들 수 있는 청자고 자기를 만들 수 있는 나라가.
네.
그런데 그때 이 칼라는 터키 쪽에서 왔어요.
아, 그렇습니다.
네, 이 칼라가 왔기 때문에 아름다움이 있어요.
아, 네, 그렇습니다.
이게
The countries are influence each other so many things. And then we import many things from China and Japan. Also, we export the many products. And the ginseng is representative of export goods of Korea. And now you can see the root. This is the red line. This is the trade, the land route. And then we also export to other country by the sea. But there is no sign. But anyway, this is the red sign. Yes, to the Japan. And then to the China. There. And then to Japan.
This side Japan and that side is China.
Yes. Actually, this is North Korea. North and South.
실심해 노트 코리아예요. 북한.
김정은 하나요?
여기가 여기 넘어가면 안 돼.
넘어가면 안 돼요.
여기 왔다 갔다 하지만 다음에 코리안 트리즈 프로블럼.
Especially she's
हमसे बात करते हुए नाज़रीन इकराम चेयरमैन ऑफ क्योंगसोंग बुगदो कल्चर एंड टूरिज़्म ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के चेयरमैन मिस्टर किम ने हमें बताया कि इस इलाके का नाम पुंगी है और ये इलाका बहुत ही मशहूर है जिनसिंग के हवाले से। यहाँ पर चूसन डायनेस्टी के वक्त से प्रॉपर जिनसिंग की काश्त पैदावार होती है और ये साउथ कोरिया में पुंगी शहर जिनसिंग के हवाले से ही जाना जाता है। सैकड़ों साल पहले से इस इलाके से समंदर के रास्ते जापान और चाइना जिनसिंग की सप्लाई की जाती थी। इस म्यूज़ियम से कुछ मिनट के फासले पर जिनसिंग की बहुत बड़ी मार्केट भी है जहां से साउथ कोरिया के दूसरे शहरों की मार्केट में जिनसिंग की तरसील की जाती है और बैरूनी ममालिक में भी एक्सपोर्ट की जाती है। इस पुंगी शहर में साउथ कोरिया का सबसे बड़ा और मुनफरिद म्यूज़ियम यही है जहां पर हमने इनसे बात की और इसमें तफसील से तस्वीर की सूरत में मैप की शक्ल में इस पुंगी शहर के बारे में बताया गया और सैकड़ों साल पुराना तरीक़ाकार जिनसिंग की पैदावार को बढ़ाने का समझाया गया इस म्यूज़ियम के अंदर और ये वाकई ही म्यूज़ियम अपनी एक मुनफरिद हैसियत और मुकाम रखता है।
About the Ginseng Museum. So, namo kamsahamnida. Thank you. नाज़रीन इकराम आज हमारे साथ यहाँ पे विजिटर आए हुए हैं मुल्की फॉरेनर्स और कोरियंस के साथ। इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं साउथ कोरिया के सबसे बड़े जिनसिंग के म्यूज़ियम के अंदर और हमारे साथ जो गाइड हैं ये इस एरिया को कवर करती हैं और जिनसिंग के बारे में हमें बताएंगी कि ये जिनसिंग की क्या क्वालिटी है।
Yeah, right. Exactly. Yeah, this area is really popular for ginseng because ginseng needs a strict weather condition because ginseng needs a cool weather under 20 degrees. And this area is suitable for it because this area is the place retains the cool weather under 20 degrees for a long time.
So, you know, ginseng is growing in Busan,
Yeah.
like different area. For this area is what's the province name? You say this name?
This name,
Yeah.
Yeongju.
Yeongju. It's
Yeah.
very famous.
Yeah.
Yeongju ginseng.
Yeongju, but especially the Pungi. Pungi is a part of Yeongju.
Okay.
Yeah, Pungi.
Fungi.
Pungi.
So, how is the history in here, in this area? How long so before he's growing and agriculturing this?
In ancient time, Korea usually trade with Japan and China
Yeah.
with this ginseng for a long time ago.
You mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So this area ginseng very famous for export point of view around the world.
Yeah, right.
Is exporting.
Yeah, right. Medicine in Korea. So why the people really like the ginseng? Because it has a very well-known medical effect, very good effect for human body. Yeah, so it's also very. The people they think the ginseng is the cure every disease. So in case of the cancer, if you have cancer or the AIDS or any kind of illness, I mean, reduce the stress and the anti-aging and the blood vessel, cholesterol, everything.
Anti-aging.
Anti-aging, very important. You need it.
Also cancer, right? Cancer.
Cancer also. So maybe the cancer patient, they also eat the ginseng after their cancer treatment.
Or mix.
Yeah, or mix. Yeah. And he invented the way how to cultivate ginseng at the time. Yeah.
What's his name?
Ju Sebu. Yeah, Ju Sebu. Yeah, he made the way how to cultivate ginseng at the time. So thanks to his effort, many people can cultivate ginseng at anywhere.
How many years ago? 100 years ago? 14 years. Much long
The time in Joseon Dynasty, Chungki was very important because it's the one of the produce area of the ginseng. ago, he invented for people. He invented the cultivation of the ginseng. So he ordered the police to catch the seed from the mountain.
Piece of the world, Chunjingyang Red Ginseng. Chunjingyang Red Ginseng, a masterpiece of the world. Established in 1995, Chunjingyang Red Ginseng has focused only on red ginseng products. Situated at the foot of Sobek Mountain, with clear water and fine air, it is heavily blessed in a geographical aspect. Because the time is optimal for ginseng farming for its continental cold climate of islands. Ginseng farming, only products that qualify for the strict quality test of the Korean official Institution for Food Hygiene Inspection. The entire process leading to the product distribution is under complete quality management through management infrastructure of one-stop system. A Korean representative company delivering customer satisfaction and specializing in red ginseng products. That is Chunjingyang Red Ginseng, a masterpiece of the world. Chunjingyang Red Ginseng, selected by heaven and created by the energy of the earth. Punji Ginseng was described in the history of the Three Kingdoms, where a congratulatory messenger was sent to Yunje of Tang Dynasty in AD 734, indicating the abundance of self-generation of wild ginseng on Sobek Mountain at the time of Shilla Chosun's King Chungjong. Mr. Chu Se-boon grew and produced ginseng artificially to removing the reliance on the wild ginseng. To address the demands, he looked for places similar in soil and climate to where wild ginseng was self-growing. One day he was assigned as a gun chief Punji in 1541 and investigated Punji's soil and climate to discover that the place had a lot of self-growing ginseng and was a perfect place for ginseng farming. So he collected wild ginseng seeds and began ginseng farming to become the first person to do it in Punji. Chunjingyang Red Ginseng is made of ginseng which grew up with clean water and fine air and absorbed plenty of organic substances through environment-friendly farming methodology. Because it was raised on Sobek Mountain with cold climate, on the highlands over 500 meters above the sea and 200,000 pyong in size, the ginseng's content structure is firm and it is heavy. making it an adequate ginseng ingredient suitable for processing. What's more, it features the deep scent unique to the ginseng. Ginseng saponi, known as a major medical component of ginseng, is called ginsenosap, which is different from the saponin found in other plants in its chemical structure, as well as its excellent efficacy. According to the recent development of isolation and analysis methodologies, 32 types of ginseng saponin in total have been revealed so far. There are 32 types of saponin altogether in Korean ginseng, compared to 14 types in American ginseng and 15 types in Chinese ginseng. There are more types of saponin in Korean ginseng. Different ginsenosides are said to have different medical effects respectively. Considering this point, Korean ginseng is genuinely the world's top quality in the aspect of efficacy. The ground selected by the habit, the most valuable gift endowed by the habit. That is the Chunjingyang Red Ginseng, a masterpiece of the world. Chunjingyang Red Ginseng, born as a masterpiece in distinguished hands. Through strict quality management and business administration, Chunjingyang Red Ginseng acquired the ISO 9001 certification, the international standardization, and was selected as one of the best 5 of Korean traditional foods in 2001 and 2004 for honey preserved red ginseng and red ginseng slices. With excellent taste and scent, Kunji Chunjingyang's preserved red ginseng was selected as the Blue House President's souvenir, representing the country's quality traditional food, and was recognized for the product's excellence. It was further awarded with the Industrial Package Prize by the President in 2004, where the President No Moo-yeon visited Chunjingyang Red Ginseng, saw the hygienic manufacturing process of red ginseng products, and tasted red ginseng products. Currently, Chunjingyang Red Ginseng operates 3 business offices in Seoul, Busan, and Kumsan, and has a distribution channel through 45 chain stores nationwide, and 100 more stores displaying the product. Chunjingyang Red Ginseng runs 20 direct management stores in Lotte department stores, 5 in Hyundai department stores, 15 in Dongna department stores, 2 in GS Squares, and in Daegu department stores. In the high-level distribution market, it further supplies the products to most of the large discount stores, 100 E-Mart stores, 13 GS Mart stores, 20 Home Plus stores, and 80 GS supermarkets. And we are proud to have the largest business network in the country. Also, Chunjingyang Red Ginseng was recognized with its brand value and product excellence, so that the products are imported throughout the world, including the US, Japan, China, Vietnam, and more. There are 10 directly managed stores in the US, 1 on departure level of Hanoi International Airport, and 1 on arrival level in Ho Chi Minh International Airport. Now Chunjingyang Red Ginseng is on its way beyond the domestic market and being recognized as a masterpiece in the world market. Chunjingyang Red Ginseng uses 100% domestic fresh ginseng exclusively through strict quality management. Products include honey preserved red ginseng slices, red ginseng solution, red ginseng extract, red ginseng pills, red ginseng capsules, red ginseng tea, Korean ginseng, and Korean wild ginseng. With 56 product varieties, men and women of all ages can easily enjoy plenty. It is the red ginseng product of high quality, having more saponin than other products, as well as excellent taste and scent.
Regards to my brother country, Pakistan.
No, 감사합니다.
USA also.
Yes, my great brother.
Korea is actively moving now.
ये देखिए आपके सामने जिनसिंग कंपनी का विजिट है फॉरेनर्स का और ये कोरिया की बेहतरीन जिनसिंग है जो रेड जिनसिंग के हवाले से बहुत मशहूर है। अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इसकी सप्लाई है साउथ कोरिया से। और कितना आप देखें कि जनाब सेंसिटिव है और कितनी आप इसकी केयर देखिए। कंपनी में एंट्री से पहले आप देखें सबके ड्रेस को कंप्लीट चेंज कराया गया है, स्प्रे किया गया है, उसके बाद इनसाइड प्लांट के अंदर एंट्री हुई है। तो है
Ginseng Korea.
Ginseng Korea.
Oh, Ginseng Korea. Oh, Ginseng Korea.
पैकिंग का प्लांट है यहाँ पर, ये पैकिंग हो रही है। ये देखिए हमारे फाउंडर्स का पूरा ग्रुप आया है, कैसे जिनसिंग बनती है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होती है, प्लानिंग होती है। और ये इस वक्त पैकिंग प्लांट है जिनसिंग का। 네. 많이 한국에 20년이지.
한국 사람이네.
네. नाज़रीन इकराम ये देखिए पैकिंग डिपार्ट है और ये पैकिंग हो रही है रेड जिनसिंग। नाज़रीन इकराम ये जिनसिंग की मार्केट है मशहूर और ये जिनसिंग के हवाले से ही शहर है। ये जिनसिंग की मार्केट है बहुत बड़ी साउथ कोरिया की। इधर हर शॉप पे आपको सिर्फ जिनसिंग ही मिलेगी।
난리 났어. 성균이산 최고예요. 와.
여러분 오세요. So we have chocolate.
초콜릿? 드셔보시고 리뷰하면 뭐 어떠세요? 무슨 맛?
넌 많이 먹었어. 나 지금 위험해.
드셔보세요, 또 한번. 무슨 맛? 야, 아니, 한입 쑥?
이게
뭘까요?
이거는
뭐예요? 젤리?
초콜릿 같은 건데.
초콜릿. 오케이.
이름은 있겠지만 이름 뭐야? 이거는 이름 있는데.
일단 드셔보시고.
전편. 엄청 맛있어.
맛있어.
부드럽고.
부드럽고.
진짜.
진짜?
완전 초콜릿.
완전 최고? 우리 어떡해. 그죠? 맛있어요?
엄청 맛있어요.
저도 한번 줘보세요.
한번 먹어봐요.
Looks yummy.
खूबसूरत नाइट व्यू।
شکریہ پیشکش. دنیا بھر میں آباد پاکستانیوں کی ترقی و کامرانی پر مبنی پروگرام پاکستان کو ترقی کی راہ پر گامزن کرنے کے لیے دنیا بھر میں پاکستانی متحرک اور تیار. دنیا بھر کے ملکوں میں پاکستانی کا ان کی ترقی میں حصہ دیکھیے. بین الاقوامی منظر میں پاکستانیوں کا سماجی، سیاسی، تجارتی اور مذہبی امور میں بھرپور کردار.